Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download brochure mockups from Envato Elements, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download brochure mockups from Envato Elements, begin by visiting the Envato Elements website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in your details to complete the registration process. If you already have an account, click on the login button to enter your credentials. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in brochure mockups and press enter. You will be presented with a variety of brochure mockup options. Browse through the results to find a mockup that suits your needs. When you find the desired mockup, click on its thumbnail to view more details. This will take you to the mockup's dedicated page where you can see additional images and descriptions. Review the item specifications to ensure it meets your requirements. If you are satisfied, click the green download button. The file format and size information will be displayed before the download begins. Click download again to start the download process. The mockup will be saved to your computer, typically in your default downloads folder. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file was saved. Unzip the downloaded file if it is compressed. Locate the mockup file among the extracted files. You are now ready to use your brochure mockup in your design project. Open the mockup file in your preferred design software. Follow any specific instructions provided within the downloaded file for best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.